So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so sorry it has taken me a few days to get this video up, but I have just been so incredibly busy this past week. I've been going to the gym and I feel like that has taken over my life. I finish work, I go to the gym, I've been making dinner, and by the time I've done all of that, I am so mentally, physically exhausted. I just couldn't bring myself to film, but it is currently Thursday. This is going to go up on Sunday and I've got some time, and I thought, you know what, Melody, it's about time that you get your act together and open up the Lush kitchen box for February. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Also, if you guys watched last month's unboxing, you will know that I basically switched my box to the shower box as opposed to the bath box, mainly because I honestly find myself not using bath bombs as quick as I want to, and for me, they are the products that go, I don't want to say out of date quickest, but basically other things last longer. Do you know what I mean? And I'm finding myself that I'm hoarding bath bombs. I can't use them quick enough. So for this month's box, we have swapped to the shower box, and I'm really excited to see what I think of this box. I have seen spoilers, which is a shame. However, I haven't really looked too much into the spoilers, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's dive in. I am so excited, and I'm going to stop blabbing for 5. I really thought we had it that time. Let's try the other way. There we go. Let's open it up. Okay, opening the box together. This is what's inside. It is screaming Valentine's Day cutesy. We absolutely love that. This is so cute. It's a little tiny Lush kitchen. How adorable is that? That is so cute. On the back it says, "Get swept off your feet, love is in the air, and we're serving up a sweet menu of cheeky delights for body and shower." I will hold this up. If you guys want to read the rest, you are more than welcome. I love the effort that they put into their designs, their labels. I just love it. Like, it always suits the season, it suits the kind of theming, and I absolutely love it. So this is February's. Again, so cute. Do you know, I really wish I kept these, because I feel like looking back on them over like the past year would be so fun. I don't know why I didn't. Maybe I should start keeping them, because this one is so cute. If you had a pink and red bathroom, like, that would be adorable. Anyway, I'm getting distracted by that. Let's move on. Okay, so as always, I'm going to go for all of the potted and bottled things first, and then if there are any naked products, we will do those last. So the first thing we have is the packaging on this is absolutely adorable. This is the Sticky Banana Lush Kitchen exclusive body wash. Look at the design on this. This is so cute. I cannot. I do wish that the box actually was pink and red. I feel like that would have been really cute. Anyway, this is the Sticky Banana body wash. Look at the top as well. As I said, I absolutely love it when the kitchen box products have the special labels on. It just feels so much more special and kind of personal to the box. I absolutely love that. In terms of ingredients, we have got oat infusion, coconut cream, date syrup, and also a few perfumes and things. Weirdly, there is no banana, which is actually quite weird. I just would have expected banana. Anyway, let's open it up and give it a smell. Oh, I did not expect it to have that texture. It's a very thick texture. Can you imagine if it all fell out? That would be traumatic. Anyway, this is the texture. It's a very thick kind of situation. Okay, so smell-wise, I feel like, oh, oh, whoa. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, look. It's like foamy. How bizarre. Scent-wise, it is giving off like that synthetic sweet banana smell. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and just see. Oh, that is so moisturising. Oh my gosh, what am I actually supposed to do with this now? Because I can't wash it off. Yeah, this smells very much like those synthetic banana sweets that you can get, but in a good way. Like, it's very sweet but creamy at the same time. That's actually really good. I'm not gonna lie, I have seen a few people talk about this, about the kind of lack of fragrance in it, but I can smell it, so I'm not too sure whether that was like a batching issue. To me, this definitely has that foam banana sweet kind of smell. I wouldn't say it's as strong as the banana conditioner, the banana shampoo, but it has got that subtle sweet banana smell to it. If you guys would like to see more in-depth reviews or more thoughts and opinions on any of these items, do let me know down below. I do post a lot of Lush content over on my Instagram, so if you guys haven't followed me, make sure you do. do. But yeah, I do post a lot of content over there. So anyway, that is item number 1 and I'm actually really impressed. Also, great size. We love that. Next up, moving on to item number 2, we have got the strawberry shower jelly. I have been really intrigued to smell this one. I cannot wait to see what it smells like, but this is the pot. This is the lid. Again, absolutely phenomenal designs. I love the look of this one. In terms of ingredients, we have got carrageenan extract, agave syrup, bergamot oil, olibanum oil, geranium oil, fresh strawberries, and strawberry powder. Let's open it up. I have a feeling this might go everywhere, but we're gonna have a smell anyway. Wait, I think this is Yummy Mummy scented. That is so delicious. Oh my goodness, mine looks a little bit funky. Look at the top of it. It looks a little bit weird. That is absolutely delish. I am really glad I went for this month's shower box because the smell of this is so nostalgic to me and I'm just so excited about that one. So that is product number 2. And again, so impressed with this. I'm really enjoying the shower box. I hate to say it, but I think I'm converted. Anyway, next up, moving on to product number 3, and we are gonna go for this one. I'm trying to do all the potted things first. So, oh, okay, this is the American Pie body conditioner. Body conditioner. I thought it was a body lotion, not gonna lie. So that is really exciting. So this is what it looks like. I love a body conditioner because I hate putting moisturizer on after the shower. I am that person. I have dry skin and I'm like, oh, I just can't be bothered. I love a body conditioner. So basically these are like in shower body lotions. You take a bit, you rub it on the skin. I leave it for a few seconds and then I rinse it off and it's so good. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got almond oil, fresh strawberry infusion, jojoba oil, shea butter, kapuchi butter, miru butter, vanilla absolute, sage oil, and lavender oil. Let's see what it smells like. I'm really excited about this one. Ooh, wait, is that white or is that slightly pink? I feel like that is slightly tinted pink. Of course it is. Of course, it's American cream scented. I don't know why I thought it wasn't going to be this smell. I had no idea what it was going to smell like. Of course, it's American cream. I instantly need to just put a bit on my hand and just smell it because I love the smell of American cream so much. It is so good. It's basically like a vanilla strawberry smell. Honestly, that's heavenly. Oh my goodness. I am a little bit oily now, not gonna lie, because obviously you are supposed to wash this off, but wow. Oh, it smells like holidays. It's so good. So this is item number 3. And again, I am just so happy I went with this month's shower box. For this alone, it's phenomenal. It is so good. Okay, so next up, moving on to the naked product of the box, and that is of course a solid soap. And for this one, we have the raspberry milkshake soap. Now, I'm not gonna lie, does this look familiar to you guys? Because I feel like I have had one of these before. It looks really familiar to me. I'm not sure. Let me know down below if this is a returning product. In terms of ingredients with this one, we have got coconut oil, almond milk, water, raspberry juice, vanilla absolute. We also have lemon oil. Let's give it a smell. Oh, wow, that is absolutely delicious. It does smell familiar though. What smells like this? This is really going to irritate me. Oh, that smells so good. It's hard to explain it. You can definitely smell that raspberry, like it's a very tart raspberry smell, but you also definitely have that creaminess of the vanilla and that tiny citrusy, like lemony note to it. That is absolutely delish. I love the smell of that. That in a shower gel would be phenomenal. I love it. It looks so cute as well. So yeah, that is the solid soap. Cannot wait to use it. Me and Ryan are currently using the January box one, and that is so good as well, but now I really want to use this one. I need to get a bigger soap dish so I can have multiple soaps on the go at once because wow, that is delicious. So I decided to save the item which I am most excited for last, because when I saw that people were receiving these in the boxes, I felt like this could only mean one of two things. Either there is a perfume in here or it is a pillow spray. Either way, so excited. I know that it's a perfume and I know what it smells like, and I am so excited to smell this. You have no idea. So inside here I will show you guys what we have. Also the packaging, so cute. So the last item we have in this month's kitchen box is the Sweetie Pie perfume. I am a big Sweetie Pie shower jelly fan. I cannot believe they have brought this out in a perfume and we are going to smell it together. So now's the time. I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to spray it straight on. I think I literally missed and sprayed that everywhere, but that is so good. Wow, that is so strong. that is absolutely delicious. If you guys don't know, Sweetie Pie smells like the comforter. So essentially we've got ourselves a lovely, delicious comforter perfume, but it has something else to it. Oh, actually, it kind of has like a, I don't know how to describe that. I feel like there's a hint of something else there. It smells really good though. In terms of ingredients, we have got bergamot oil, blackcurrant absolute, cypress oil, and then it just says perfumes because I suppose they don't really want to tell everybody what's inside. But if you guys love sweet smells and you love the comforter and you can ever get your hands on this, I highly recommend. It is so good. Wow. Yum. Yeah. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I would love to know down below, did you get this month's kitchen subscription box? Did you go bath? Did you go shower? I would love to know down below. Also, I would love to know your favourite item from the box. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. We film a lot of Lush content over on this channel. Also, a lot of content on books. If you guys can't tell, I'm a big bookworm too. So if you guys like those things, make sure you subscribe. But that is everything. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!